So, priorities, priorities, priorities. No ham radio today. I did get the sync installed. I had a little problem with the valve shut-off knobs, the trim, but I think I'm going to have to buy some new ones. They just didn't fit the knurling on the new stuff. Got the cartridges insert. That was a drama. I'm not going to go into how bad it was for me personally, but so I had a few minutes. It's like 3:20 now. I don't have time to go get my ham radio stuff and drive somewhere and set it up. So I thought I'd come out here and install my new seat concept seat and show you all side-by-side comparison and put on the Happy Trails master cylinder guard. So without further ado, let's get started. So one thing about the seat concept seats, and I looked on their website. These things are pretty expensive, but this one's on eBay, and I'm telling you, it doesn't look like anybody has really used this thing at all. I mean, it's not even dirty, really. So this is a complete seat. This is not the you covered yourself version, and yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. So I got a really good deal on it. And here's the Happy Trails master cylinder cover, and we'll get to that. And I will be using my tool roll, and hopefully I won't have to go in the house. But if I had to go in the house and get an additional tool, that'll just be something that I have to add to this toolkit. All right, let's get started. So let's see if I can get some measurements here with one hand. Let me set this down for a second. Alright, so the seat concepts from seam to seam looks like it's about at the widest part. Looks like it's about 12 inches, and it's about an inch wider than the stock seat. The height of it is, I don't know, it's just hard to tell a huge difference in it. It's a little bit wider here, right? And it's a little bit taller. Not a lot taller, but somewhat. And it definitely feels a lot better than the OEM seat. It's a little firmer. So let me get this thing put on and see how it looks. I don't think it's said enough, but this blue Loctite, this medium strength Loctite, and the stick, I'm sold on this stuff. It's not messy. It goes on easy. You don't spill it everywhere because it's like a waxy paste. And on a KLR or any other single thumper machine, these things are going to vibrate loose. I'm telling you, anytime I take a bolt or a screw out of this thing, I put blue Loctite on it before I put it back in. Seat's on. Let's try it out. I'll tell you what, you do set it up higher because this seat does not give very much. I give it 2 thumbs up already. You do feel like you're sitting higher. It doesn't look like it's higher, but it doesn't sink in like the other one does. I can tell this is going to be a lot better ride. So let's move over and put this Happy Trails bracket on. Another thing I might do is take my side stand. I'm thinking about taking off the side stand. A friend of mine is going to cut 1 inch of it off, and so the bike leans over a little bit instead of standing straight up. So we go put this Happy Trails bracket on first. This master cylinder is completely unprotected, and I've gone down on this side of the bike twice, and it's just a matter of time. And I think all you got to do is take these bolts out, put this bracket over top of it like that, and your master cylinder is protected. So let me get busy with that. Well, this feels pretty good. It's nice and powder coated. It's got their Happy Trails logo on it. I don't know if you can see that. So let me get busy. I did that because I didn't want this falling off and having to realign everything. So That'll hold it when I take this one out. Some Loctite on there. I'm getting low. Spin this around. There we go. Easy peasy. So now the master cylinder is protected in case I go over in a fall. Your boot's not going to bang into it, nothing. So that looks, makes me happy right there. So let's see about getting this kickstand off. Slide my tools like the other side of the bike. So I have not researched how to get this side stand off. I'm assuming that spring's going to have to come off of there. So there it is. So the goal is to cut like an inch off of this, either down here or somewhere in where it's straight. So the bike kind of leans over a little farther, because right now, when I put the side stand down on the KLR, it almost stands straight up. But when you got the panniers on there, you don't need any, you want more weight on the side stand than you do standing straight up and down, because at least a little bump or whatever knock that bike over. You don't want to knock it over. So I'm going to take this to work and get my buddy to give it a cut and shorten it by about 1 inch. So that's all I got for today. Got the sink done. Got the C concept seat on the KLR. I got the side stand off. I've got the Happy Trails master cylinder guard in place. So I'm not sure what tomorrow's looking like. I don't know if I want to ride the bike without the side stand. I got the center stand, but got any questions on any of this stuff, let me know. I try to answer all the comments. I appreciate all the comments. I appreciate everybody watching the videos. It just makes me happy that this is a tight community and we have fun interacting with one another. So anyway, I'm not sure when I'll air this. Today is Sunday, September 20-something, 27th. I'll talk to y'all again soon. So hey guys, if you like that video and this content is something you're having interest in, or you want to know more information about this KLR 650 or modifications you can do to it, or what I've done to it, or anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, I really appreciate you watching it. And if you enjoyed it, click that thumbs up button down below and click that little bell down there so you know when I upload more videos. As always, be safe out there, and I'll talk to y'all again soon.